Hey everybody, we had a real good street scrap and we're trying to pull a twofer today. Come on, let's dive in and see how we did. Hey, good morning everybody. Pretty overcast today, but they're not calling for much rain, and oh, look at that. It's a whole bunch of satellites. Well, it's 2 satellite dishes. Are we gonna have another one of those kind of days? We got some aluminum here too, so that's cool. Actually, we can put you go ahead and put you in here because you fit. Hello, sir. Been a really slow start to the day. Not sure what's going on, but there just isn't a whole lot of stuff out. That happens sometimes. So we'll just keep on going and see what we find. And I tell you what, it is really slow today. Really slow. I'm glad we found this. At least there's some weight there. And we're not going to get you. I'll do the smaller monitors, but I don't want to pick up flat screens if I don't have to. It's a lot of plastic. And not much in the way of boards. And I get plenty of them from clients where I have to take them for the sake of the relationship, whether I want them or not. So, right, there's some cord food. Wet cord food. Whale. I think we can do that. Of course, now that I have that, I'm going to find a dryer or a washing machine or a nice big stove, you know, because that's just the way that works. Ubiquitous wire shelving. Must have ubiquitous wire shelving. Milk crate. Don't want to milk. I mean, normally I would take a milk crate. Alright, I'm not quite sure what's going on with the geese up here. I guess they just decided they were going to hang out for a while in the road. Can't they read? The sign very clearly says no trespassing. Come on through, buddy, while I smash this thing down. Pay attention, Ernie. Pay attention. Watch what you're doing. Fax machine. And some sort of stereo system. CD, yeah, I mean a DVD. Cassette player. Here. Smartphones and electronics. And you, I'm just going to shove you in here. Because that's all I would do with you anyway. It's a nice neighborhood. Pretty. And it's a neighborhood with wire shelving. Alright, big old microwave. What are we going to do with you? Well, not a great day. Not bad, but not great. Started out really slow and didn't get that much better, but we did kind of okay. I've got a bunch of aluminum. I need to get the aluminum out before I head over to the yard. And I'm going to do a twofer today. So I'm going to get the shred taken over, and then I'm going to come back and get some aluminum and some computer boards and stuff like that to take back. So we're going to break down this microwave. Somebody already started, it looks like, from what I can see. So anyway, we're going to get that broken down. That's what's got to get processed before I head over. Yeah, so we're going to try to do a twofer today. We should be able to squeeze it all in without any trouble. Better snips. Why don't I just use that, dummy? So we're going to go to Mako speed here because, let's face it, you've seen me take apart a lot of microwaves. We do it on just about every street scrap. So I will spare you watching me, even in Mako speed, take apart yet another microwave, because what you'll see is when we get near the end here, I'm magically going to be done. I do want to take a minute to say thank you to everybody who is watching my videos, Whether you're a subscriber or not, thank you. If you're not a subscriber, it's real easy. There's a little button in the lower right-hand corner. You push on that, and then you'll click on the bell, and you'll see an all indicator. Click on that all indicator so that you get a notice whenever I put up a new video. So it's real easy and simple to do. Again, thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch these videos. I hope you're enjoying them because I love making them for y'all. All right, well, we are just about ready, so bango presto, there you go, we're done. Your Ferris. No stainless on this beast.
What's up? How you doing, man? What's your name?
I'm Antoine. I'm not normally here. That's the guy that's normally here.
Yeah. Is that Willie driving up?
That's Willie. Yup. That's Willie.
There?
Yup. That's where he is.
I'd be more scared if I knew that was Willie up there. Antoine.
Yeah, I'm Antoine.
All right, Antoine. Nice to meet you, man.
Sir. Be careful. I thought it was about to fall off on you. Your camera?
I got a picture in there.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Antoine, how Willie the Shark was here today?
So here's a question for y'all. What do you prefer when I go to Mako Speed? Do you want me to put the music, different kinds of music in the background while you watch at Mako Speed? Or do you want me to just leave the sound there? Some people call that chipmunk speed because if you're talking, you sound like the chipmunks going real fast. In your comments down below, go ahead, let me know what y'all like. I have a feeling it's going to be a mixed bag, but I'd be interested to see if there's some overwhelming desire for either the music or just the chipmunk speed stuff. All right, let's get the back of this truck cleaned out, and then let's get weighed out and get back for load number 2. Don't go anywhere. Speaking of load number 2, I don't think you all really want to watch me load the truck, walking back and forth from the garage with bins and stuff like that. So I think instead we're just going to go right to the loaded truck here.
All right, well, we are headed for a non-ferrous drop. So this was the second run for the day. The first run was all shred. We've got quite a mix here, mostly aluminum, but we have a few other things like ballast, Christmas lights, some high-grade, mid-grade, and low-grade circuit boards, insulated copper wire, brass, but it is mostly aluminum. And I'm just doing a quick check here. I pulled off someplace where I drove for a little bit just to shake things up. I just want to see how we're doing here. Yeah, I think we'll be all right. Here's our insulated copper wire and our brass. And my car thinks there's somebody sitting in the seat because of the weight. So it's giving me the seatbelt "I'm yelling at you" sign. All right, well, I think we're safe. Let's get on over there.